Welcome back to my channel. Hello, I have a DIY video this week. I have another DIY my rubbish video, and today I am tackling toilet rolls. I know it's not been that long since I've done a DIY my rubbish video, but I had to plant some seeds this week because I needed to get them going, so that's why I have a video so soon. And I use toilet rolls for seeds, which you're gonna see now. If you are new and you've just stopped by, do hit the subscribe button. A few people are saying my videos are not showing up, but I upload every Thursday. So if you pop back here Thursday, 7 o'clock Irish time, you will find a video from me. So let's get straight into the video. I will have this chats with you after and you can see what I made. So you are gonna have to save up all of them toilet rolls, empty toilet rolls of course, for this DIY. I also just have a few bits from my crafting kit. I have some decoupaged glue. You can also use PVA glue if you don't have any decoupaged glue. I just had it in my kit. I have some white acrylic paint, a napkin for the decoupage, twine, and then I have a few other little fiddly bits. You can just use whatever you have. Pepsi also joined me for this DIY as well. I started by painting my loo roll. You don't have to paint it, you can leave it as is. I'm just going for kind of a romantic, shabby chic kind of look for this project. Once my paint was dry, I then folded them into these cute little pillow boxes. So you can use these as gift boxes, wedding favours, maybe you're having a party. You can use them on your table piece, and you can easily pop small items or gifts inside of them. So now for decoupage. Basically, decoupage is sticking pretty napkins or paper onto things. I'm not sure if that's the correct definition, but to sum it up, that's what it is. So I am tearing out a rose shape from a napkin that I had. And I'm gonna peel back all of the layers of the napkin. This one was a 3-ply napkin until I have this thinnest layer, and you wanna get that really thin layer. And then applying the glue to the base of my toilet roll, and I'm going to stick on the rose piece of tissue. Once I have it on, I'm just gently brushing. I'm also actually, if you notice, I'm using an eyeshadow brush, a clean one, because the bristles are really soft. So just a little tip, that is an eyeshadow brush I'm using, and you can just wash it with some warm soapy water and you can use it again. So I'm just putting glue gently over the top. Don't worry if you get wrinkles. When I decoupage, I sometimes put like some cling film over to rub out any wrinkles, but when it's a flower tissue, the wrinkles kind of add to the kind of texture of the rose, so I don't worry too much about wrinkles when it is a flower. Once the glue is dry, you can give it one coat of the varnish. This just protects in your decoupage. As you can see, it's given mine a shine. That's because the glue I have is like a gloss finish. You can get matte finish as well. I'm now just popping on some twine. You could use ribbon. I wanted to use some twine because I wanted that kind of rustic, cottage, romantic kind of look, but you could do ribbons, you could stick on flowers, you can totally personalize this to how you want it. we are going to make some seed starters from toilet rolls. The great thing about these is they will biodegrade into the soil. So once your seeds get a start and they have established their root, you don't even have to take them out of the toilet roll. You can simply put them in your container or your flower bed and they will decompose naturally into the soil. I am just folding the bottom in, so it's kind of like when you fold a cardboard box so it won't kind of unopen. So I'm just doing that fold at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill them with soil and add a seed. And today I'm going to plant sunflower seeds. So I planted some sunflower seeds last week. I had a recycled little plastic propagator and I have gotten some of them to start already. Also, I don't know if you see that tea box, I'm just using that empty tea bag box to store my toilet roll seed starters. Blondie always loves to join me and stick her head in when I'm doing a bit of gardening. I'm just using some special compost. It's kind of like, it's for seeds. It's like seedling mix. I'm not sure the exact name, but you'll pick it up in the garden centre. I also have some sunflower seeds which were kindly gifted to me by one of my gardening ladies in work. These are tall sunflower seeds. Last week I planted some dwarf ones and these ones are going to be hopefully nice and tall if I can grow them successfully. I just pop mine on the windowsill with my other seeds, which you can see I've got, they're the dwarf ones, and then they are some cosmos that I also planted in my last video. So that's what I made out of my loo rolls this week. Do you say loo roll or do you say toilet roll? Is loo just like an Irish and English thing? Do you say loo roll? Yeah. I actually had people like saving their loo rolls for me so I could keep them for projects. So yeah, anyone watching who I've asked for loo rolls, you don't have to save them anymore. Make your own stuff. If you know anybody who's maybe getting married or who is having a party and you think would like those wedding favour boxes or gift boxes, I think they're actually called pillow boxes. If you know anybody, then please share this video with them, because if, I don't know if they have like time, they might be able to save a few pennies by making little wedding favours. They could pop little, I actually have a handmade soap video, and as I was making the little pillow boxes, I was like, one of the soaps would fit perfectly inside this. I'll pop that video in a card here, or you'll catch it at the end of the video. Let me know if you are sowing seeds as well. I'm new to seeds this season. All of my garden stuff I grow like from bulb the past few years, but this year I said I'm gonna tackle seeds. Gardeners are just lovely because they save all their seeds, and I find that like they're so good at giving you cuttings or seeds. So I got my sunflower seeds off a lady I work with. She took them off hers, and flowers are just constant abundance. They grow, they die, but they give you more seeds for the next time. So you don't really have to buy many, just hang on to the seeds. Check out my Instagram, probably my sunflowers. I'm hoping if I successfully do them, it will be around July time when I get them like a decent size. So you can catch me on Instagram, and if I grow a sunflower, you will hear all about it if I successfully grow a sunflower. So that is it. I'll pop an end card here for my last two DIY rubbish videos. Milk carton, one into baskets, and then I have another one where I had some jars and shoe boxes. You can check them out. I might actually make a playlist and pop it on my page, my YouTube page. I have some playlists if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. Cheeky thumbs up. I will catch you all in the next video. Bye everybody, have a great weekend.